I am Sanjeev Chakravarti. I represent Massibus Automation and Instrumentation Private Limited. We are a company actually like into the process instrumentation and automation, and I look after the general marketing, as the general manager marketing. And there has been actually like a lot of the clashes, between the marketing and the operations management in terms of like how much to produce and how much demand is there, and so this particular program, we came across, and where I wanted actually like to know the group dynamism, the cross-functional problems, the operations management problem, the finance problem, as well as actually like how do they cope up actually with the customer satisfaction and meeting the demand, and the strategic simulation workshop designed by N-Paradigm Solutions, very well conducted actually like at IIM Ahmedabad. This year, I was amazed the way actually like they have built the complete simulation about the market dynamics inside actually like the software, and we could actually like develop a real simulation of the workshop. The simulation was made in such a way that every quarter the competition was actually like picking up, and the non-linearity of the market, the strategies of the company, the different weightages were given, and we were trying to like understand the dynamics of that, and very well actually done inside the software. And overall, I'll say that's something, a new pedagogy of the training workshops, which I would recommend to everyone, including actually like the functional heads at our organization, because if more and more the business is actually becoming competitive in the real world, and more people understand the requirements of the other functions, they can actually like perform well. And if you try to do all this dynamics through the learning, the classroom sessions, it may take actually like maybe 1 month. But because of the simulation thing, I think actually like the whole thing could be brought down, and we were learning more by ourselves, with a little bit learning sessions conducted on the first day by the IIM faculties, and that helped us to know the basics. But then the real dynamics and making the strategies, everything actually like was done online during the simulation workshop. I think that's the learning for the future, and I would recommend everyone actually like to